how to fix storage problem on your Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to the settings page, go to storage, and then click on clean up right here as you can see, and then go to residual files, and right here on this page you will find some apps that you have deleted but their files still here. So all what you have to do is choose one of these. For example, I'm going to choose the first one. It's UCut. Click on all and then click on delete down here and click delete. And now as you can see, I will do the same thing with all the files right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.